The algorithm's uploading to Langley. Once we break it down, we'll have some time to... What?
The sell order. It's programmed for 9:06 a.m. Eastern time. They're dumping everywhere. Tokyo, London, Shanghai, a dozen other exchanges. It's almost $2 trillion. It's gonna be a wipeout.
It's 18 hours. How do we stop it?
They're not gonna flood the market unless the terror attack is successful. They lose everything. And the attack will be coordinated right before that. 9 a.m. tomorrow.
Albatross, we are compromised at Rendezvous Beta. Request immediate backup.
Пойди по ним еще раз!
I don't know what you're saying.
Harper! Harper, can you hear me? Do you have her?
Are you sure she's wearing it?
Yes, of course. I put it on her myself. We played the whole scene for the driver. Now, where is she?
Got her. It's working.
Jack, send me a ping from yours. Southwest on Kashirsko-Strasse. It's a kilometer from you. Off the highway, headed north toward Kuznetsky Most.
Third exit ahead of you. Due north.
I hope you enjoyed your meal.
Kathy!
I hope for her sake you have not yet transmitted the information you stole from me.
I'm gonna find you. I'm gonna find you. How far?
9 blocks behind him and closing.
We haven't started transmitting yet. I still have the stick drive.
Very good, Jack. Let us hope Kathy and I can believe you. If not, I have always found that in these situations, the swiftest results are achieved by working with loved ones.
You know I have what you want. Put her on the phone.
Doctor,
Kathy!
talk to your fiancée.
Kathy, talk to me!
What? You think your silence is in some way heroic?
Kathy!
We will do this other way.
So, let me tell you something, Jack.
If you squeeze a neck just right. Human beings can't keep their mouths closed. Jack, a light bulb will go into her mouth. Because in Lubyanka and the Furtovo prisons, we discovered in torture that the vacuum glass explosion inside mouth causes damage to soft tissue, to enamel, to bone, and to lungs also. It's quite a bit of what you say, havoc for 40 watts.
Hard left coming up.
Just 2 blocks and you got him.
Push it!
But when you look at this, Kathy, you will know. And Jack, you will understand that I am very serious when I say that I want what you stole from me, and I want it now.
Do you think Jack will get to you? Or do you think he thinks it is a game?
You think this is game, Jack? You think my country bled for so many years before your feet for game?
You think my son died for a game? You think I will let myself die for nothing? No, it is America that will soon know what it is to have nothing.
He's got to cut back, Jack. If you catch him at the corner, run straight ahead.
Put ball in her mouth, Jack. Now I have my hand beneath your bitch chin. And now, in moment, I will crush her jaw so she bites down on it and begins slow and painful death. So I will say it once more, I want what you stole from me, and I want it now!
Let's go! Let's go! I need to go! Go, go!
The attack is going to happen, Ryan! You can't stop it.
Jack, we need to get out of here! Police are coming!
Turn it on! Let's move! Let's move!